Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
So did you build this yourself?
Yep, with the help from my teammates from Teammate Loud.
Okay. Which chapter?
Georgia chapter.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. The specs of the box, they helped me with the specs of the box. Also, my brother helped me with the specs of the box. That's about it.
Okay.
But as far as building it, is me and one of my buddy by the name of Corey.
Okay.
He helped me out building it, so it was me and him and I said Teammate Loud. We all come together and design the box and put it in. Okay. First, it was two 6 ZVX 15s from Scars, and I took those out and went over to the dog side.
You went from 2 to 6.
No, 6. It was 6.
Oh, 6 of them.
Oh, yeah. From first, it was 2 15s, and now
215 no wall, and now you got a wall.
Then now I moved to the wall.
Wow.
So, yeah.
And what's the SPL score you got out of this?
We did a 161.6 today.
Okay.
But the goal is to put 3 more bases. The goal is to put 6 base AK, so it's 1 per sub, wired 1 ohm.
I'm gonna shadow this.
Oh, they did it before.
They did? Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, this is my 5th windshield.
Really?
Yeah.
And even the brace isn't helping us so much. So you've already broken this like 4 times.
The brace, that's why it looked like this, and then my buddy did this. He tried to put it back together, which worked now.
Okay.
It works fine, so.
Yeah.
But,
okay. Can I see the alternator underneath?
You probably could see it, I'm not sure.
Okay. So you just have the one?
Yeah, this is one alternator right there.
Okay. That's crazy. That thing's handling a lot of power, and you're about to put 6 on here, 6 amps.
Yeah, I'm trying to put 6 amps. I have, the lithium is there to do it, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the amps real quick.
So the top one is 264 amp hour, the bottom one is a 240.
Okay. Are you going to do the same amp staging when you go to the 6? Just on each side by side, or you might do a whole new layout?
Yeah, if I'm going to build a bracket where they sit like this.
Okay.
With all 6, not sure yet.
Yeah. Did this build in the vehicle?
Yes.
So you had to get all the cubes?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
If not, you wouldn't fit.
Yeah. Nice. Did y'all do any SPL dialing on the port yet to kind of fine tune it?
Yeah and no. I did this last week, but it was supposed to go to Extreme Audio by Dave, and we were supposed to do the port, but it worked.
Okay, got it. It looks good though. Yeah, it looks good.
Don't do that, man.
You said I could get in the driver's seat?
Yeah, get in the driver's seat.
All right. Do you want to keep the door open?
Yeah, door open, closed, doesn't matter.
Okay. Wow. So what's your name?
I'm Trey. I got 6 ZV6 15s on 3 teraamp wire at 0.5 with a 350 amp alternator on a that's from Autotech, and I have 504 amp hour C-Max lithium.
500? Wow.
504 got 2.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. And this is like a 4th order. You round it over.
Yeah,
and
it's a 4th
okay.
order.
Just a man I needed to see.
Hey, how you doing, man?
God damn, what's going on, man?
YouTube, Jacob Bow. So yeah, let's go. What you playing?
Oh, it's on this right here.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Be sure to give Trey a like. Got a really good, full, detailed walk around of his system. And comment what you like about Trey's system. He's going to be seeing the comments. Shout out to you, Trey. Thanks for the demo at the Stuntfest show and Pooler, Georgia area. Beefy subs. These are definitely underrated. He was definitely giving them a lot of power, and he's actually upgrading power. I like the head unit dash system that he has here. So instead of it being in the dash, he's able to carry it and kind of remove it out of the vehicle and let 2 people come inside and hear it. And if you notice the way he has his port round over, this is a 4th order bandpass enclosure. That's a very critical point for 4th orders to get really loud, breaking over a 160 dB on music for sure with that door shut. So braces, a lot of people always ask for where to get braces. Most of them are usually custom made, and you just have to weld fab them. Some people go to Tractor Supply or Harbor Freight for some of the tool uniqueness as well. And this is a total of 24,000 watts. Definitely has a lithium bank for more power. But he got the job done for the show. Shout out to you. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I do daily videos. We're getting to the demo now, so enjoy.
I've been